I am a very lazy person. A lot of people who are lazy as well will know this feeling. How can I make money without putting much effort into it? And that's how I decided, let's buy a YouTube channel. So I went on Google and typed in how to buy a YouTube channel. After 20 minutes I finally found the website where I could buy a YouTube channel. On the website I just needed to click a subject. And the most important part for me was monetization enabled. And then the search began. I scrolled for 10 minutes and finally found the channel I wanted to buy. Before I bought the channel, I had to check the analytics, and I also took a look at the channel as well, so I could see if the views are botted and what videos the person posted. The payment process was not complicated. I just had to pay a little fee to the escrow agent, and he transferred the YouTube channel to me. Unfortunately, I had to wait 7 days till the ownership was transferred to me. After logging into the account, the first thing I did was checking the analytics from the last month. In March, the channel had 114,000 views, 500 hours watch time, 350 subscribers, and $1.80 revenue. Because the channel was already monetized, I decided to just post shorts. So I started uploading like 5 to 10 shorts a day. The first shorts I uploaded got between 3,000 and 5,000 views per video. After 2 weeks I finally got a short which made it into the algorithm. Within the first week it reached 50,000 views. I was very motivated because my channel got between 20 to 30 subscribers a day. So here are my results after the first 28 days. In the last 28 days my channel had 560,000 views, 1.8k watch time, 860 subscribers and a whopping $10 in revenue. At its peak my channel made around 40,000 views per day. As so often in life, when everything goes well, something has to crash it down. In this case, I got a message from YouTube that my channel is no longer monetized. The reason why YouTube demonetized my channel was reused content. Reused content. Channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value.
Accusations! These are not accusations. This is false accusation.
After my channel got demonetized, I had the last chance to get the monetization back. I just had to make an appeal video. In the appeal video, I showed proof that I made the videos by myself, that I added value to the videos and that I edited them correctly. Unfortunately, the YouTube team denied my appeal and the channel is still demonetized. My conclusion is the YouTube team don't like the fact that I bought a YouTube channel and started uploading new videos, which is understandable. And so I hope you guys can learn from this video and don't buy a YouTube channel, start your own YouTube channel, make your own content, get your monetization naturally, and yeah, so you don't have trouble in the future. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm very tired and yeah, I had to cut the video short. So please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.